Malacanang says the Ombudsman acted well within the rules of court when it moved to amend the submitted information on the plunder charge. Senator Bong Revilla Jr. in connection with the pork barrel scam. The Sandigan Bayan junked the amended plunder information charge against the senator. Communication Secretary Sani Coloma expressed confidence that sufficient work has been done to build a credible and convincing case. More from Rocky Ignacio.
The government has sufficient evidence to convict those allegedly involved in the pork barrel scam. Presidential Communications Secretary Sani Coloma said this following the arraignment of Senator Bong Revilla, Janet Tim Napoles, and others for plunder and graft cases at the Sandigan Bayan in connection to the misuse of PDAF.
We are confident that sufficient work has been done to build a credible and convincing case. Yung po kasing pagpapasya ay pinapaubayan natin yan sa hukuman at hindi nararapat na tayo ay maggagawa ng espekulasyon hinggil sa outcome nito. Ginawa na po ng pamahalaan ang nararapat at yung inaakalang tama hinggil dito.
Malacanang also expressed confidence that the plunder case filed against Revilla is strong despite the refusal of the Sandigan Bayan to allow the amended information of the special prosecution on the case.
It is our view that in filing an amended information with the Sandigan Bayan, the Office of the Special Prosecutor well within the rules of court that allow the prosecution to present its case in the manner it deems best, consistent with its duty and mandate.
Malacanang maintains that the Department of Justice did a thorough investigation and built an evidence-based airtight case.
Well, we continue to trust in the integrity of our courts, of the Sandigan Bayan, and we believe that we have done what is needed to build a strong case. The President has repeatedly emphasized that this entire matter is evidence-based, and it is our guiding principle here is we will only file strong cases and cases where there is sufficient case build-up that would merit the successful prosecution of the case.
Meanwhile, Malacanang assures that due process will be given to Budget Undersecretary Mario Relampagos and other government officials who are charged for their alleged involvement in the anomaly. Coloma said this on the possible preventive suspension to be given to Relampagos and other officials. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.